it is. Another rare treasure. 1971 American Motors AMX. Still in mostly its factory paint, or whatever's left of it. Bucket seats, console, full instrumentation, rim blown wheel, if you can believe it. Rust bucket survivor. Originally thought it might have been a Z code, but it's not. 364 barrel. That's gone. It looks like somebody put a 304 in it, which is okay, I guess. What used to be. If it was a Z code, it would be worth restoring. That'd be a 401. Less than 1,000 of those were made, probably less than 600. But no, right now it's just a parts car. Glory days. I think I may have seen this car driving around town when I was a kid. Thought it was weird. Mustard yellow with a big old spoiler. Yeah, buddy. Weather eye. AC delete. I get a feeling this car might have come from somewhere up north. But there it is. One man's junk. It's another man's treasure. Another rare AMX. I guess they're all rare. Anyways, please hit like and subscribe. And check out my other cars, like the SVO Mustang. It came my way and we junked that one too. Thank you for watching.